a super long day. I dropped the truck off at the Grand dealer at 8:15 this morning. It is now 2 p.m. I still don't have the truck back yet. This is why everyone keeps telling me to learn how to do my own oil changes and my own fuel filter changes. This is why. We're still not done yet. It still needs an alignment, which is causing tire issues. Our front right tire, the tread is just almost gone because of the constant pulling to the right. But we're getting the alignment done, but we're not getting tires here. We'll get tires somewhere else. So this has been a 4-6 hour day here. I feel like I should at least get like a paycheck for being here this long today, but this is only a minute long, maybe Vlogmas for day 20, but unfortunately that's what happened. So I finally made it home from the dealership. I didn't want to record anymore while I was there because I was pretty heated, was in a bad mood. So when they brought the truck back to me, no alignment was done. So one of the main reasons I went there was to get the front wheel alignment taken care of, and they wouldn't do it because the tire was in too bad of shape, which I understand. I said, why don't you just put on the spare, because our spare is a full, it's not like a donut, it's a full spare. Put that on, do the alignment, and then I'll go and get new tires somewhere else because I wasn't paying what they were going to charge. They wouldn't do it. So now I only have a couple more days before we have a 3.5 hour long travel day. So now I need to get new tires first, then take it back for an alignment, all within like 36 hours. So that's not going to happen. So here's the dilemma. Do I just put the full spare on, drive the 3.5 hour travel day, and then deal with getting brand new tires and alignment? Or do I get the new tires now, put them on before the long travel day, and then once we get to our next destination, which we'll be at for a couple weeks, then get the alignment done? I don't know which way to do it. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it'll make its way into the final couple days here of Vlogmas. So again, not the most exciting video here. It was eye-opening for me to realize and understand that I need to start doing some more of this truck maintenance myself, even though I've never done it. I actually have never changed a tire in my entire life, never had to. Always just called AAA. That's what I pay them for. So I guess it's time to start learning how to work on vehicles instead of just working on computers and electronics. But that's going to wrap up Vlogmas day. I don't even know what day 20. If you want to go back and watch the other 19 videos of Vlogmas, just go ahead and watch this video right here and go check them out. We're almost done with Vlogmas. We're almost at the end. This was a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be, but we're almost there. So we'll catch you on the next one.